This is a test of the emergency alert system. In an emergency, this system would bring you important information. The following tones will conclude this test.
This is a test of the emergency alert system and NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. To participate in today's Great Washington Shakeout statewide earthquake drill, drop, cover, and hold down. If you are also involved in today's tsunami warning communications test, follow your tsunami communication response procedures just after the earthquake drill. This is a test. No tsunami warning is in effect. Repeat, this is only a test. The following tones will conclude this test.
This is a loving reminder from his wife.